This is the K1 Mini Bitcoin ATM. It uses the Bitcoin Lightning Network, and you can buy as little as 5 cents. It also takes dollar bills. It is a great educational tool for El Salvadorians. You can come buy $1, see how Bitcoin works. It also is not plugged in. It is battery operated. The battery lasts for about 4 hours. You can take this to conferences. It even fits in your backpack. So if you're interested in buying one, check out k1sv.com. This is an incredible tool. We're also going to be selling upgraded versions of this that's more commercial. But this is just a fantastic tool and one of the cheapest commercial Bitcoin ATMs in the world.